Okay guys, second strike for today's fishing adventure. It's a diwit. Ang first na to is talakitok, and then second is diwit. Okay. Dapat kayo guys. Ay ka naman dyan diwit. Thank you Lord. Patay pang sudaan. Okay. Strike number 3 guys. Murag sa gisihon, murag kuntol. Pwede mga master. Sa gisihon or kuntol? Ha? Okay, master. Okay. Not bad. Good size na. Thank you. Okay guys, just landed our strike number 4. Woo! It's a tuna. Okay. Weighing around 6 kilos. It's a tuna. It's tuna time. Agoy. We need to put this inside the box. My color. Okay, so this is our 4th strike. Thank you Lord. Did it successfully. Wow. Okay, so it's a tuna guys. Okay. Thank you Lord. Panalangin.